Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Claude AI for recipe ideas. To get started, open Claude and go to the new chat page. This gives you a blank conversation where you can type a fresh request and get tailored results. Starting with a new chat is helpful because it keeps your recipe requests focused and makes it easier for Claude to respond clearly without mixing in previous topics. Once you're on the new chat screen, click into the message box and enter a sample prompt about recipes. This is where you tell Claude what kind of cooking ideas you want. For example, you can ask for quick dinner recipes, healthy lunch ideas, simple desserts, or meals based on ingredients you already have at home. The more specific your prompt is, the more useful the response will usually be. If you mention things like dietary preferences, cooking time, skill level, or ingredients you want to use, Claude can generate ideas that feel much more relevant to your needs. When writing your prompt, try to be clear and direct. A good recipe prompt can include the type of meal, the number of servings, and any restrictions such as vegetarian, high protein, or gluten-free. You can also ask for variety, like multiple ideas instead of just one. This makes Claude a practical tool not just for finding a recipe, but also for brainstorming meals when you're not sure what to cook. After you've finished entering your prompt, press Enter to send it. Claude will then process your request and provide recipe suggestions based on what you asked for. At this point, you can read through the ideas and decide which one sounds best for your situation. If the response isn't quite what you wanted, you can continue the conversation by refining your request in the same chat. For example, you might ask for something faster, cheaper, kid-friendly, or made with fewer ingredients. That's all it takes to begin using Claude AI for recipe ideas. Open a new chat, type a clear recipe prompt, and press Enter to get suggestions. With just a little detail in your request, you can turn Claude into a helpful kitchen planning assistant for everyday meals, special occasions, or quick inspiration when you need it most.